Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to allow security notifications in WhatsApp on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you stay updated on the security of your WhatsApp account. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Next, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Account tab. This is where you can manage various account-related options. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Security option. Click on it to access the security settings. Step 5. Within the security settings, you will see an option labeled Show Security Notifications on this computer. Toggle the switch to the On position. Enabling this option will ensure that you receive security notifications on your PC whenever there is any activity related to your WhatsApp account. And there you have it. You have successfully allowed security notifications in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can stay informed about any potential security risks or activities on your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.